That God. Rasta Jackson. I will not finish with Jackson.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Alright. Ready, well. So, we have another donation again, as I say. Anything you get in always deserve it. Because what you've been doing. So we have 3,000 each again from Amber Awards. And you must know by Amber Awards by now, that name been ringing a bell a lot. So before we have to greet him with a round of applause. This is Amber. Yeah, so this is 3,000 each from Amber Awards. And Amber also include Junior as well. Because the good work that Junior been doing. What is that? What is
I'm Ting man, I'm Ting in there. I'm Ting man.
Oh, Ting in the cup?
Yeah.
Oh, Ting in the cup. Alright, come here. Friday, I'm watching that cup. People is Ting in the cup. There's no alcohol, just Ting. So Amber Awards must give Junior $3,000 as well too. You know, so that's from Amber Awards.
Amber.
Yeah, Amber Awards.
Amber Hour.
Yeah. By the paper.
Enough thanks, blessing. May a full box it never be empty. Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year.
Alright. So we have 3,000 each. Alright, I'm going to go on my right already, so I'm going to start this time from my left. And we have the whole living euro from the left. From 3,000 each from Amber Awards.
Amber Awards?
Yeah.
Alright, first I have to say me give thanks because you did a support me. Come from you, alright? So we have to give thanks. You understand, for supporting we are one team and we're there stay together. I do the right thing, you understand?
Dream team.
One team.
And we have come in Rasta Messi. Amber Awards.
Amber Award, blessed and one love and thanks. Dream team, one team.
Light Parks. Now talk about chicken parts.
Amber Award, give thanks and blessings in it. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Yeah. Come in, young tradesman.
The Amber Awards have big energy in the Amber Awards.
Yeah.
May your food basket never empty. Have a Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Jump up! One day! Jump up! One day! Amber Awards.
Yeah. Talpi. Come through Talpi.
That's the young children. Amber Award. What if I love you now? What if I respect you now? It's safe you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, one team. One team.
Whoa. What video around there? Whoa. No, there's a video man from audio. Forget the camera.
No, I need the camera, I need the fork and the spoon, you know. Government man, you see, all people have enough respect, you know. This my highlights a little piece of thing, you know.
Yeah.
Enough love.
Oh, she run that video, paparazzi style. Oh, come in, liquor. Amber Awards. It's 3,000 each
Amber Award, thanks and grateful. Hope you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. All of the donors there.
Yeah. Baja. True Baja. From Amber Awards.
Amber Award, thank you for still considering us and awarding us. Blessed love and thanks.
Yeah, every time. Smiley. Smiley. Smiley.
Amber Awards.
Amber Awards.
Amber Awards.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you very much. May your food basket never empty. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Alright.
Greetings, man. Blessing, blessing.
Esther. 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 Whoa. Esther. Yeah. So that's 3,000 from Amber Awards.
Thanks, Amber
Amber Awards, yeah.
Amber Award.
Mm-hmm.
Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. May the good Lord bless and keep you.
Esther. Why it's your day today, you know? Electrician. Come through, electrician. Electro.
Amber Awards.
Yeah.
Thanks and praise for this tour. Your food basket never empty. Give thanks.
Give thanks. Rumpari.
Oh, stepfather.
The only Campari cousin. Amber Awards.
Award, you don't know, you know. Thank you for that little token just still, you know, but I kind of cool off for the rubs, but you don't know. Big up yourself, mama, your food basket never empty.
Yeah.
Honor, respect.
3 cases of water, yeah? 3 cases of water. Come here, Mighty Joe Young. Mighty Joe Young. From Amber Awards.
Amber Award. A trophy the way you send it heavy. Grateful. Respect it. Long time me not get a trophy. But happy me and my brother and sister there.
Happy?
Dream team!
Alright, 1B from Amber Awards.
Amber Awards, give thanks, you know, for food, you know. Blessed love. You them appreciate it all the time.
Yeah.
Dream team there, the work, same, you know. One love straight.
Aye. Natural. Most natural.
One team! Dream team! Yeah.
Most natural from Amber Awards.
Amber Award.
Mm-hmm.
Give thanks and praises for all what you're doing and for the dream team and the sponsors that looking at the video right now.
Yeah.
It's all natural.
All natural.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year come.
Mm-hmm.
And blessing to all of us.
Yeah. Rasta Jackson, why? Amber Awards.
Yeah, Amber Award.
Yeah.
Love and respect, many thanks, huh? I don't forget the time, more than love you.
Yeah. I'm so good, man. Yeah. I'm so good, man. Comes Natish. Natish, the one who well fitting. She not fitting.
From Amber Award.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, you know, many blessings. Holy thanks.
Every time.
May good Lord keep and guide you and protect you. May food basket never empty. One team.
Dream team. And we have Baby from Amber Awards.
Blessings, Amber Award. Thank you very much for always supporting me. And bless up all of the donors and all of the viewers. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
And we have Jenna.
Amber Award, a long time you do this, you know. May the Lord bless you here and keep you safe. Your food basket never empty. When it come and a Happy New Year. Dream team! Dream team!
Oh, that's Jella. And we said the prefect is not here, and the Zaga Zo is not here. And that's the donation conclude for Amber Awards. I know the thing go when we say Amber Awards, I will say give him a award. so we're not far away. We're close. Alright. And I have some individuals one. Now give out them individual first. Before we go back to that partner again. Alright, so we have Tarpy. $5,000 for Tarpy from the Chung family. Chung family from Wow Chef Place, New York.
Chung family, big up and respect, you know. Bless this, you know. What is love, you know. Keep safe. One team.
Yeah, so that's from the Chung family.
Yeah.
And we have
just blessings and greetings, you know.
yeah. From Chung, and we have Hero.
One Hero.
Only live in Hero.
Yeah.
Yeah, 5,000 from the Chung family.
1,000.
Yeah, from the Chung family.
Give thanks and praise to the Chung family, yeah?
Yeah.
Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Alright. And we have whoa, you know. Whoa, you know, cause from your place that come from, you know, whoa.
New York.
Twice.
New York.
Twice.
Yeah.
So you said this is for Wow Chef, to all this material from the Chung family. Whoa, from New York. Not once, but twice.
Must twice, see that?
One. Yeah.
New York City twice.
Twice, yeah.
That's why I can't go one. That's why I always go twice.
Yeah.
Two.
Yeah, twice.
Oh yeah, twice.
Alright. Yeah, so that's a donation from the Chung family for the individual members of the team. So we'll get the Chung family. And we have liquor. We have $5,000 for liquor from Faith from the UK. Which they must have a lot of faith.
Faith. I'm worried for faith, man. So watch the face. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Alright. Yeah. And we have Junior. We have Junior, Natisha's son Junior. You know, the up and coming welder in a SAM class. You know, go already. You know, a dream team I grew him, you know. So you know I go already. So we have $5,000 for you, Junior. But this person don't want to be known. They want to keep it as unknown from the USA. So that's $5,000 for you from unknown.
Unknown, big up yourself, no flow. May food basket never be empty. One team, dream team!
Alright. What's the word I want to know? Alright then. Alright, this can stay. I have 2 envelopes here. Yeah, so this donation now we're going to receive is from Star from Bronx. And you know Bronx there already. Wow Chef Place. So you know Star from Bronx. We have 2 envelopes here for 2 individual. But otherwise from that we have 2,000 each from Star from Bronx for the members from the Dream Team. So we greet them with a round of applause. Watch the walk now. We have an envelope here for Jenna. Watch your walk now. Jenna. Watch your walk now. Yeah, so this envelope is undisclosed, Jella. So it's never open. So it came sealed, and so you will get it sealed. Right, from Star from Bronx.
Star from Bronx. Star from Bronx. Star from Bronx. Big up yourself. Straight, yo. Yeah. Yo, you know, me a star and you a star, you know.
Yeah.
May the Lord bless you and keep you safe.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year when it comes. Star from what?
Bronx. Yeah, and we have one more name as well too. It's a Caesar greetings, you know. And we have Mother Teresa. We have liquor. You know, and she say, well, it's not only she, you know, and a couple of them call and say the same thing, say, them like how Mother Teresa, she been there from the start, before Dream Team even form. You know, from we step foot in a church town and she never fade away. And she still here remain humble same way. That's what Star from Bronx said. You know, this is for liquor. From Star from Bronx.
Thank you, Star from Bronx. Many love, many grateful. And just go and hold it. Hold the faith, same way. Father God bless you and keep you. All of the donors. Dream Team.
Thank you.
Yeah.
But this now is still for the members, same here. So the envelope different, right? Yes. So we have 2,000 each, same way from Star, from Bronx. So this I come from left, so this time I'm coming from my right. So we have coming again, Jella. Star from Bronx.
Star from Bronx. Love you, yeah. May the Lord bless you and keep us safe.
Every time.
Every time. Dream Team. One day. Star from Bronx.
I have Bibi. Star from Bronx.
Star from Bronx, thank you very much. Blessings. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year when it comes.
Alright, not teach. Star from Bronx.
Star from Bronx, thanks a lot. May good Lord keep and guide you and protect you and your family always. One team.
Dream Team. Rasta Jackson. Star from Bronx.
Every time, more than love you. Kind of protect every time. One this, one family. Love you every time. Dream Team!
One team!
Alright, most natural.
Yeah.
Most natural.
Yeah.
Star from Bronx.
Greetings, Star from Bronx. You know and me know. And greetings to the Most High and the Dream Team and the Clean Team. And a happy Christmas, happy Christmas and a happy New Year when it comes.
Another one team.
Blessing.
Great. Mighty Joe Young. Star from Bronx. Star in the sky. Live in Bronx.
Big up yourself, you know, my brother. Enough love and respect. Your grace, talking, love.
One love. One applause.
One day.
Star from Bronx, you know. You know, so I love seeing you know. Dream Team forever, you know. I love, you know. All I do now, I love, you know. Blessed. Guys.
Yeah, man. Run applause.
Come, Parry.
Star from Bronx, big up yourself, you know, my G. May your food box never empty, you know. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes.
Yeah. Natisha, you never come in? Oh, Kedan.
Yeah, man.
Electrician.
Yeah, man.
Star from Bronx.
220.
What's your voltage?
Yeah, man.
Star from Bronx.
Big up, you know. Big up to you and your family and your friends. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
Round of applause.
Smiley. Smile.
Star from Bronx, may the good Lord guide and keep and protect you and your family. And may you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Yeah.
Blessing.
Whoa. Twice. Not once, but twice.
Twice?
Check it and see if not twice.
That's all the while twice, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get one in the car, you know why? Twice thing there, you know.
Yeah.
You know what? No, yeah.
Twice.
One love.
Enough for my respect, yeah.
Yeah.
One love.
Alright, we have Esther, boy. Star from birthday girl, you know. Birthday lady. Star from Bronx.
Thanks, Star from Bronx. Merry Christmas, prosperous New Year. May the good Lord bless and keep you safe.
Alright, Esther, bombing ball. Alright, Baja. Only teacher, motivational speaker.
Star from Bronx. Blessing, love and thanks and continue shine. Hear that?
Yeah. Little. Star from Bronx.
Star from Bronx. You know, so you don't know the star up in here, but you're the lovely one. Just many blessings, many thanks.
Yeah.
And many Christmas and Happy New Year.
Yeah. Young tradesman.
Right there in the party. See, this is a star from Bronx.
Yeah.
They got us in New York twice. What's that doing to it? Star from Bronx. Love. May your food basket never end. Have a Merry Christmas and a wonderful New Year. Get the best of Star from Bronx.
Yeah. Star from Bronx. From Tarpey.
Genus and come like a time,
Yes. I hold it too long.
Hold it for love and hold it for respect. Keep safe and I hear that. All of the world keep safe. One team.
Dream team. Light Parks. Light Parks.
We the people's band though.
Yeah. Star from Bronx.
Big up in her, more love in her. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes.
Yeah. Sure. Boom.
Star from Bronx, respect and one love in her. Family.
Hero. Only living hero.
Star from Bronx.
Yeah.
Dream Team Star. Give thanks. More blessing, more life. Love.
Alright, so the prefect is not here and Zaka is not here, so you know it's a program of the Dream Team safe. And you know it goes already. So we have to give Star from Bronx a round of applause. Alright, so that concludes our donation for the Dream Team members. You know, you can buy the Christmas cake or buy cereal, because I never want my mother drink cereal. You know, so we say, you know what I'm pray about. You know the thing, and Rasta Jack say, yo, united we stand, and tell them, say, if we divide, we fall. And Barger say, yo, we can make it work. You know, because them say the ladies can do it and the man them can do it, and together we can make it work. So we give all the donors them a round of applause. Yeah. Rasta Jackson, what go on? Why? Remember, you know? Yeah, me them dance in living room. What she say? I wish she gone. Yeah, I wish she gone. Let's Jella, talk to him, no Jella. Jella, talk to him, no Jella. That God. Rasta Jackson. I will not finish with Jackson, you know. It's a bad job. But we say, we're me in the kitchen cooking chicken, make it work. So we tell them we come now man chop. Timing now to make it work. Jackson, tell them. Yeah, timing. Clap the belly.
Right there. Abdominal.
Yeah.
Diaphragm.
Alright, kick me there.
We
can
make it work. Can make it work.
And again.
We can make it work.
Esther.
Can make it work.
Esther.
Esther makes it work.
Work.
Bibi make it work.
Work.
Latricia make it work.
Work.
Jella make it work.
Work.
Miley make it work.
Work.
Liquor make it work. We can make it work.
Rasta Jackson, come round. Rasta Jackson, come round.
We can make it work.
Jackson.
Can make it work.
Yes. Baby make it work.
Work, work.
Kino make it work.
Work, work.
Baja make it work.
Work, work.
Boom, you make it work.
Work, work.
Area make it work.
Work, work.
Zonas make it work.
Work, work.
We can make it work. Can make it work.
Again.
We can make it work. Can make it work.
Kino make it work.
Work, work.
Natural make it work.
Work, work.
Boya make it work.
Work, work.
Wormy make it work.
Work, work.
Hero make it work.
Work, work.
Yeah, pick it up here, pick it up here. Pick it up here.
Can make it work.
Pick it up,
Jella. Yes, sir.
We can make it work.
Alright, Jella, pick it up now, Jella.
Make it work.
Jella time.
Come on. Lady make it work.
Work, work.
Baja make it work.
Work, work.
Kina make it work.
Work, work.
Baby make it work.
Work, work.
Wormy in the kitchen frying chicken make it work.
Don't tell them. We
can make it work. Can make it work. We can make it work. Can make it work.
Straight man.
So Smiley make it work.
Work, work.
Natural make it work.
Work, work.
Hero make it work.
Work, work.
Rasta Messi make it work.
Work, work.
Got the parts make it work.
Work, work. We can make it work. Can make it work.
Sure.
We can make it work. Can make it work.
Stanley make it work.
Alright.
Lady make it work.
Work, work.
Kedan make it work.
Work, work.
Joe make it work.
Work, work.
Young Chedman make it work.
Work, work.
We
Can make it work. Can make it work. But Smiley can't sing Smiley. What go on Smiley? Smiley man, Smiley man. Hey, come Smiley man.
Baja make it work.
Work, work.
The Donuts make it work.
Work, work.
Kino make it work.
Work, work.
Wormy.
Work, work. Make it work. Work, work.
Wow, work, work. Work. Come on, man. Work, work.
Can make it work. I want to run it. Active my chipping
Can make it work.
Everybody's getting back.
Can make it work.
Listen to me. Peter make it work.
Work, work.
Master Jackson make it work.
Work, work.
Tisha make it work.
Work, work.
Yo.
Work,
work.
Can make it work. Can make it work.
Ella make it work.
Work, work.
Boya make it work.
Work, work.
Hero make it work.
Work, work.
Charlie make it work.
Work, work.
Sure.
Can make it work. Can make it work. We can make it work.
Can make it work. Alright.
Brahma make it work.
Work, work.
Hero make it work.
Work, work.
Boomy make it work.
Work, work.
Kedan make it work.
Work, work.
Wormy make it work.
Work, work.
Dream Team make it work.
Work, work. We can make it work. Can make it work.
Sure. Rasta Jackson, where you tell them?
Kino make it work.
Work, work.
Jackson make it work.
Work, work.
Toggy make it work.
Work, work.
Natural make it work.
Work, work.
Esther make it work.
Work, work.
Jella make it work.
Work, work.
Baby Natty shall make it work. And they will have pieces they sing it.
Yes, they make it work. They tell them we out there.
Can make it work. Can make it work.
Alright, you know what it is. Alright, Jackson. Remember, you know, and I want alone of you know. You have two.
Oh, united we stand, divided we fall.
Sure.
And if our back should ever be against the wall, we live together forever, you and I.
Sure. And again and again and again and again.
Oh, united we stand, divided we fall. And if our back should ever be against the wall, we live together forever, you and I.
Sure, and again and again and again.
Oh, united we stand, divided we fall. And if our back should ever be against the wall, we live together forever, you and I.
Yeah.
On top.
For all the donors.
Oh, united
for all the donors.
divided we fall.
All the donors.
And if our back should ever be against the wall, we live together forever, you and I.
Sure, one more time.
Oh, united we stand, divided we fall. And if our back should ever be against the wall, we live together forever, you
we got synchronize it and do it how we normally do it. We say, cause remember earlier now, we make the kids them do it. And the kids them do it one go. Them all synchronize. Alright?
Yeah.
Kids them do it one time. So we're gonna say a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes. In just one go. Synchronize, right? After 3. 1, 2, 3.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And may God bless you and keep you safe.
So all the donors, I love you. Take care of
Dream team, come in chest man. One team, trade man come.
Love.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.